Building fires have been in the news a lot recently. Just this week, an apartment fire displaced 7 people, and February's Silver Spring blaze that killed a woman is still on people's minds. A concerned viewer reached out asking about DC fire alarm policy. She wanted to know if it's true that in high-rise buildings, fire alarms only have to sound on some floors, but not others. Let's verify. Our sources are DC Fire, the Building Code, and the National Fire Protection Organization. According to a spokesperson for DC Fire, this claim is true. Code only requires that 3 floors sound the fire alarm in many high-rise buildings, the floor where the alarm is pulled and the floors directly above and below. Now that rule applies to buildings with a, quote, high level of fire protective measures. Limiting the alarm might seem like a bad idea, but DC Fire says it actually helps keep people safe. The goal of the fire alarm is to get people out of harm's way, and the people most at risk are those near the fire. Limiting alarms to the 3 highest risk floors means stairways are as clear as possible. That lets people near the fire evacuate faster rather than getting stuck in a crowded staircase. The policy also gives firefighters time to take control of the situation. Stairs are important for evacuation, but also for first responders who need to access the fire. Fire teams regularly designate certain staircases for evacuation and others for attacking the fire. It helps keep people safe and organized. Now, there's one big caveat. This rule only applies to buildings with up-to-date fire suppression systems. Some buildings with older systems will sound alarms on every floor. Have a question you want verified? Send us an email. I'm Nathan Baca with your Verify.